has been 1 year since evil Powerpuff Girls came out. To celebrate its 1-year anniversary, I am now officially announcing.
Breakaway! Tony passes it, he shoots! Scores! And what's this? Tony's taking out a bowl of Frosted Flakes? What a celly! How about that, Jim?
Crunchy Frosted Flakes. They're great!
If it's competition you crave, make tonight a McDelivery Games Night. Order now.
Local area emergency for the entire state of Alabama. This following message is transmitted at the request of the Governor of Alabama. This is not a test. Repeating, this is not a test. Recently, multiple reports have come in of people spotting 3 creatures flying around the state of Alabama and surrounding areas. These creatures resemble the Powerpuff Girls, but they have the following characteristics: black eyes with red dots, bloodstains on their body, and a demonic demon voice. Apparently, everybody calls them the Puff Demons. It's advised to seek shelter at this time. These creatures might be hostile. Please stay attuned to media outlets for more information on this dangerous situation.